Hey guys, today we're going to change fraction into division and find the answer in a fraction form. We did this kind of before we left. So I told you guys to flip your fraction to its side. So if I flip my fraction to the side, the 7 would go there and the 3 would go there with the fraction bracket in the middle. Then you just make it into a division bar. So how close can 3 get to 7? Well, 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 minus 1, or 7 minus 6 is 1. So now from here, we can make our fraction using division. So the top number is our whole number. So we have 2. Oh, I shouldn't use purple. I already used purple. And then my bottom number is my numerator. I have 2 and 1. And then we're using thirds. My answer is 2 and 1/3. So that's how you do that. Just simple division and then remembering that the top number is your whole, bottom number is a numerator, side number is your denominator. So if we do another one, let's do 5/3. We already did a third. Let's do 5/2. That's my washer in the background if you can hear it. So I'm going to flip it to its side. We have 5 divided by, there we go. So I just flipped it to its side and then made it into a division bar. How close can 4 or 5 get to 2? Sorry, how close can 2 get to 5? That would be 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. I subtract that and I get a 1. So here's my whole number. I would have 2. Here is my numerator and 1. And here is my denominator. I would have 2.5. My answer is 2.5. So that's how we've done those. I'm going to put an anchor chart in here too to kind of help you, and I'm going to make it because I don't think I'm going to be able to find one the way we've done it. But today you just have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems. And again, to do the fraction bar, so when you're writing your mixed number, just do a 2, so type 2, space, then I would write a 1, and then I'd use the slash button, that's a question mark, and then write my 2. So that's how you would write that. All right, I hope you guys have a good day.